Aortic regurgitation. Auscultation features and murmur sound description. At the end of this video you can hear the murmur sound. Auscultation features. 1. Soft first heart sound. Due to increased left ventricular end diastolic pressure, leads to premature closure of mitral valve. 2. Ejection systolic flow murmur. Because of the volume overload in the left ventricle due to aortic regurgitation. 3. Second heart sound intensity variable along the severity. 4. Aortic regurgitation murmur. There is a high-pitched early diastolic murmur. Remember, the regurgitant can impinge on the anterior mitral valve cusp and also causing a mid-diastolic murmur. It is called as Austin-Flint rumble. Auscultation method. On auscultation, the murmur best heard at the left sternal edge in the fourth intercostal space with the position leaning forwards and breath held in expiration. Auscultate with diaphragm of stethoscope.